think of it is, if she had the personality that she does and was ugly, no one would be asked. No one would be asked about that girl. Because she's fit and has that personality, everyone likes it. Looks mean everything. Does. If you're a dog, no one would be asked about her personality. But because she's not a dog, she's fit as and she's still got that personality, it changes everyone's perception.
You know about?
Kim.
Yeah, I reckon.
Saying if she's ugly with that personality, everyone would just be like, but because she's fit, she gets away with it.
I think I agree.
Looks do mean everything.
You mean a lot.
Well,
Not
yeah.
everything.
Yeah. I am being positive. I said Kim's fit.
All right.